This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use markers in DaVinci Resolve. Markers are incredibly useful for organizing your timeline and making your editing process much smoother. You can quickly add them to specific points to note changes, identify takes, or mark sections for sound design. They act as visual cues, helping you navigate complex projects with ease. Let's dive into how to get started with these powerful tools. Adding a marker is simple. Just press the M key on your keyboard at the desired spot on your timeline. To customize it, double-click the marker to open the Details window. Here, you can give it a descriptive name, add detailed notes, and even change its color. Using different colors helps visually distinguish between various types of markers, like green for good takes or red for issues. Navigating your timeline using markers is very efficient. You can quickly jump between them by pressing the up and down arrow keys. If you need to adjust a marker's position or duration, simply drag its edges or move it along the timeline. You can also delete unwanted markers with a right-click. Filtering markers by color or type helps you focus on specific tasks, streamlining your workflow. For more advanced uses, you can convert timeline markers into clip markers, attaching them directly to individual media assets. This is great for keeping notes tied to specific footage. You can also export your marker list, which is fantastic for collaboration or creating a detailed log of your project. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Markers are truly versatile tools for any editor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.